NOKIA 7.1 and let me show you how to set up a wallpaper on the following device. At the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then select the settings, find and tap on the display, and here choose wallpaper. Now it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. Let me, for example, pick this album, Live, and one from the following wallpapers. It can be Polly Pony. Finally, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you would like this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. Let me pick the third option. And that's it. Since now your brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and your lock screen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.